Let's discuss the ACT practice test 2. We solved the math section. Okay, so let's move to the math section. So this is the math section. So in the, if read the first question, which says that the college track we have three jumping events: high jump, long jump, and triple jump, and the Venn diagram is given. The question is how many athletes completing both high jump, triple jump, but not long jump. High jump, so this is section we marked for high jump. So this is high jump, and the triple jump. So this is triple jump. So how many athletes do high jump, long jump, and triple jump? So but not the long jump. High jump, triple jump, but not the long jump. So you have to check the session which overlap the high jump, triple jump, but not the long jump. If we check the session, we can see only three have this the overlap of high jump and triple jump. So the answer become 3. So 3 is the correct answer for this problem. Next problem is a function is defined by the equation. This is given, the function is given fx is equal to x squared plus 5. So what is f3 plus 1? So first we find out f3. Fx is this, so f3 is f3 squared plus 5, which gives you 9 plus 5, which is equal to 14. So f3 plus 1 gives you 15. So 15 is the correct answer for this one. Okay, and then let's move to the next question, which is the third one. So give that b, the value of b is given, b is equal to 40, c is equal to minus 16. So b plus c is equal to the product of 4 minus 4 and what number? So what number? That we, the number we don't know, so x. So b plus c is equal to minus 4x. B is what? 40. C is what? Minus 16. That is equal to minus 4x. So 40 minus 16 give you 24. That is equal to minus 4x. Divide by minus 4 each side. So that gives you x is equal to 6. So the answer for this one is 6. So all three question is done for this one. Let's move 6 minus 6. So not 6, minus 6, right? So minus 6 is the correct answer, because see, 24 divided by minus 4 is minus 6. So minus 6 is the correct answer for this one. So this is 3, and let's move to the next question. In this one question, it takes Colin 24 minutes to walk to the school in the morning. So what fraction of his 24-hour day is spent walking to the school in the morning? So 24 is 24 hour. So 24 hour is equal to how many minutes? So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 24 hour is equal to 60, 24 times 60, which gives you 1440 minutes. So 24 hours, 24 hours, that means 1440 minutes, that is equal to 1 over 60, correct? That is equal to 1 over 60. So the answer is 1 over 60. And the next problem is certain triangle has an interior angle of measure 6x degree, 2x degree, x degree. What is the value of x? So we know that a triangle have three angles. An angle sum property is what? Sum of all angles is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all three angle is 180 degree. So 6x degree plus 2x degree plus x degree gives you 180 degree. So 9x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 20 degree, correct? X is equal to 20 degree. What is the value of x? X is equal to 20 degree. So we can mark x is equal to 20. Okay, let's move to the next question. This is what is the matrices equal to? So that is given 6 minus 5 0 3 minus 4. So multiply 6 minus times minus 5, 6 times 3, 6 times 0, 6 times minus 4. So that gives you minus 30, minus 30, 18, 0 minus 24. So that's give you minus 24. So that is J is the correct one. Okay, let's move to the next one. So seventh question, number 7. AB, so ABC, AB are the far apart. A and B are far apart. See, A and B, this one. So that means AB arc is 180 degree. Then we have CB, this one, CB 90 degree. CD, this one, 45 degree. Correct? So area of sector, formula for area of sector is equal to theta over 360 degree times 180 degree. One, right? So now you can see they read the question carefully again, which says that the what percent of the area enclosed by a circle. So area enclosed by the circle we need to find out. Or what is the total? See, complete circle, full circle. Area enclosed by this circle, that means 100%. Correct? So we can put 100 over there. 100%. So theta is what? 45 degree. 360 degree times 100%. So which gives you 12.5%. If you want me to solve the other questions also and the whole paper, please comment. I can complete the video or a continuation. I'll make some more parts of this video to complete this whole thing.